Hey guys, it's me. Okay, I'm going to show you a little tutorial featuring my beads. Some of my beads I got from NBeads. And if they're still available, I will put them in the link below. But I want to show you, I'm making a banner for somebody. And I want to show you how I'm doing it and then some of the embellishments that I'm going to use on them. So, first off, I don't know if anybody doesn't know how to make a rosette. This is a paper rosette. This is what I do. So, hold on one second, make this 12 inches long. This one is a little bit bigger. Okay, I have 4 of these over here that I've already made. These were like 1 1/4 maybe inches. This one's a little bigger. This one I cut to 1 1/2. Okay, so you cut this 1 1/2 by 12. Then I score it. When I score it, let me do it so you can probably see better. I score it every half inch. No, every black. Don't come for me. I don't know how to measure. It wouldn't be half. If it is, you don't, I don't know anything. Just score it on the black. Black. Is that like 1/4 of an inch? I don't know. Okay. So, I really need to learn how to do this, you guys. I don't know. Okay, so then I'll sew it, right? I zigzagged it. And then you can still see my score lines. So then I will come back and I will go right back on those score lines, zigzagging. Sometimes if it gets too much, just want to show you what I'm doing. And then I kind of crease it. And these are for paper rosettes, not the crepe paper. I don't know what the heck would happen. Well, you can sew them, of course, like this. Okay. Now, this tail end here and this tail end, do you see how they both go up? You're going to cut one. So we're going to cut the one that has the string hanging off of it. Oh, well, they both did. Then you're going to need hot glue. Hot glue for rosettes, unless you want to waste millions of years holding the glue down or whatever. So you do like that. Okay. Now the fun part, which really isn't. Okay. I like this one. This one is 1 inch and it cuts out like these. So I always do the back like a color that I don't care about, and then the front, you know, that's plain. That's cute. Okay. So I start with the back. I lay it down. And then I smush it. See that? And then you carefully, super duper carefully, glue it. And then hold it. Oh my gosh, I smushed that one too much. Only on camera. Only on camera would that happen, right? If I lift it up, I'm scared. There we go. Okay. So look how cute that is, right? Okay. So then I kind of hold it like that. Whoa. And then I'll do it. Look at that. has a little jump ring hooked. Okay, I kind of want to show you how I do the tulle. I don't want it to go away right now. You know what? No, I don't want the tulle. Actually, I don't. Okay, so we're just gonna, because I didn't pick a prettier color. I didn't really want the blue. Okay. Yeah, that should be okay. And just kind of hold it down. I kind of like to squishy it. And that should be perfect. Okay, so that's your rosette. This one's bigger, which is good because I wanted to put that word on there, create. Now this create came from Heidi Swap at Tuesday Morning. So I thought that was cute to go with this banner that I'm making. Now, I want to show you, we're going to set that to the side, how to do, this hot glue kills me. Oh my gosh. Okay. My heater just came on. How to do these flowers. I don't know if anybody, I mean, I'm sure there's millions of people that know how to make them, but in case you don't, I gotta figure out where I put them. Don't you love these? Okay, and these are the little hearts that I got from NBeads. How cute are those to make centers? Isn't that adorable? And I made one more. So I'm going to use these on the rosettes. Okay, so let me show you what I did. Of course, I had my string and I was like, I don't need it. And I threw it away. So we're going to start a new one. Let's see, this is my most favorite, absolute, always and forever gold thread. Walmart is the only place that I've ever found that carries it, that I like. Now there's this one, this is embroidery floss, and I like that. It's really thick, I think 3 or 4 layers. 3, 4. I like that, but I love this. Okay, so what you're gonna do is, these are the dies I've used. Now these came from Ally, I believe, and I cut them out in all different patterns. Now this is what I do. I flip them upside down and I roll, because it just depends on how you want it to look. Now if this was a really hard cardstock, I know that you can use water. Just spritz some water on it and it will, you know, make it easier. Now let me show you this one. I rolled on the back. Let me show you what happens when you roll it on the front. So you do all the little leaves. Now if you don't have one of these, you can use a mouse pad. You can use foam. See how that curls up on itself? You can use like kids foam, and then I always press it in the middle. Do you see what kind of different? That's more up. This freaking hot glue. Up. You see that? And down. For this one, I'm gonna go with that because I like that better. But I mean, it's just a different way. So you can just go right back. It's pretty forgiving. Now I've had times when I'm like went really insane and ripped it, but it's pretty forgiving. So these are called stylus. Those are the measurements, and then you just roll in the middle. And then here's your last one. I like doing that, whoop, and then pushing it down. Okay, this is what I want to show you. Now, you can use regular glue on that, that's fine. I find it doesn't hold that well. So, I just do a little bit of hot glue, and I mean a little bit, because you don't want it to be so heavy with hot glue, you know? And then push it down. Make sure that the petals, where there's an open spot here, there's a petal there. Make sense? Just a little bit, because hot glue can build up really fast and make it heavy and not as pliable, if that makes any sense. This is where I get my, oh my gosh, it's like an invisible trap. It's like a booby trap. I just do whatever I feel like. There's my thing. I love this thread, you guys, and this is what I do. When I use my thread and go insane, this is what I do. Make sure to get those tails. I hate the tails. I will cut them off if they're not in my hot glue. And then, like, that makes me so mad. And then I just kind of spread it. Little bit. Then you want to stick it, and then you want to stick that. And then you can play with it a little bit. Just enough to peek out and get fun, you know? See, that hot glue is killing me. Okay. This is the part. I live for this. Absolutely, positively live for glossy accents. I almost need a new bottle. This will hold everything. Okay, it could hold your toilet lid closed, I'm sure. Hot glue and rhinestones, sequins, I don't like it. I don't have time for it. It ain't for me. It's not my aesthetic. Okay, so what I do is this. You know what else you can do with this? Ooh, let me show you. I tested this out. Do you see how these are flat and these are shiny? It's glossy accents. You can build, it's a dimensional type of a glue. Create clear dimensional medium. So that's gonna make that shiny. If you have bottle caps and you don't have those clear stickers, you fill this. This is how I get my bottle caps to stay. So if I have a sticker or my 1-inch circle, I will glue it with the glossy accents, put my sticker, or not my sticker, my paper, and then I can do the whole thing. You could put glitter in there and then do it. It's very cute. It's very sturdy. It will not come out, I promise. Okay. So we're going to use that. That's why I love glossy accents. It's like the best thing in the world. And you can probably, I'm almost positive, use your coupon at Hobby Lobby or Michael's, Joann's. There you go. Okay. It's amazing. So just a little bit. And then that. These are so cute. Flower centers from NBeads. Look at that, you guys. Stop. Is that not cute? I love it. Okay. So, what I was going to do is I was going to take this word, create, to go on a banner. Put this, let's see. Oh my gosh. Does anyone know any hot glue that doesn't act like a spider web or a booby trap? Okay. Tell me, comments down below. Okay, we're just gonna use a little bit. You know what would be cute is if I double layered that. Like if I would die cut another one out and layered it up. And then I want to put this here. Might want a pop dot. I love it. Look at my case Rose gave me, and you know what? I use it perfectly for my pop dots. I love pop dots. I'm like insane with them. Put that on the bottom. This is 15 minutes long. OMG. Isn't that cute? Look what else. We're gonna use, forget Wink Estella, it's expensive. You get one, you get 2 Nuvo drops for the same price. And all you do, you see that? Do you freaking see that? Glitter all over, glitter it all, okay? Excuse me? Yes. Okay, love that. Ooh, maybe I should do a favorites video, like I'm so popular. Just kidding. Like in my head, I think I'm like the most popular person ever, and like people actually care what I think, right? Okay. This is also from NBeads. I thought this would be so cute, like just a little cluster. What do you think? Let me see. I think that would be really cute right there. I think. Don't you think? Okay. Should I do... I think I'm going to do this. I'm going to get this baby. I'm telling you guys, you got to get it. It's the hottest trend. If you guys don't have this, hurry up. What are you waiting for? I should have put some on this side too. I'm so sick. Excuse me. Just kidding. Of these freaking cobwebs. Look at that. How cute! Okay, you can do this with any flower. As long as you have 5 pieces. I mean, yeah. You know what else? If you don't have this and your thing, where's my bone folder? You know what I've done before? Let me show you on a piece of paper. That is right here. You don't have to, you could take those petals. Look at that. You could take those petals. It doesn't matter. Curl those petals up. Take a pencil for those petals. Where's my pencil? Get those little tiny, I'm not kidding. All you have to do is like this. You know what I'm saying, guys? You can do all, you don't have to have special tools, you know? Flick them. Flick them. Okay. Let me know what you think. I will put links in the description as long as they're still available. I was going to say something else. Oh. I think that was it. I think that was all I was going to say. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. That was probably it. And, yeah, and I'm going to show you the finished product when the person receives it, which I don't think they know it's for them yet. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.